are preparatory to takeoff. Again, we're guiding the airplane up the runway. The faster it goes, the more control you'll have. And while you're taxiing, you have very, very little steerage control of the airplane. The pilot runs the engine up, and when he's satisfied, he signals the men on the wingtip that are restraining the airplane to release it, to get turned around into the wind, facing the wind for the takeoff. And from there on, it is full power, kicking the rudder to keep the airplane going straight down the runway. It gets up flying speed, slowly climbing out, and you're always glad when you can see the trees in the foreground and more trees in the background. That'll mean you're above tree level. And coming into land, of course, you have a beautiful view ahead. And one of the sensations that you get when landing this airplane is that really you're out on the end of like a diving board. You don't see the airplane ahead of you. You're the first one to arrive. And here we are. As soon as you touch down, the tail skid digs in, the ground flying, the sod flying, and that's your brakes really to pull you up to a stop. My name is Paul Palin. I built this FE8 Pusher fighter from original drawings, and I fly it. It is designed by the Royal Aircraft Factory in England. It's powered by an original 80 horsepower RHONE rotary engine. The men on the wingtip are steering the airplane, guiding it. It's not very controllable at low speed, because you can see the engine spinning is in the rear. It's a rotary engine. The pilot is in the front with his machine gun, able to fire straight ahead down the line of flight of the airplane. Here I am in the cockpit with the Louis Machine Gun in front and the ammunition drums hanging on the outside. You get a good view of the position of the pilot, and behind the pilot is the gas tank, and behind the gas tank, the spinning rotary engine. Here we are taking off over the fall colors at Old Rhinebeck Aerodrome. The reason for this configuration is that the Germans had a forward-firing machine gun synchronized to fire through the rolling blades of the propeller. The British did not have this. The only way they could fire was to stick the engine in the back and the pilot in the front. That way he had a clear field of fire. However, it was not a proper final layout because between the pilot and the rotary engine was the gas tank. And in the event of a bad accident, the pilot was the first one to arrive. And right behind him was the gas tank, and then the whirling, spinning rotary engine. And you get a good view of the fire, they all hung out on beams behind,
Look at your shirt right here.